Hey guys, welcome back. If you're new here, my name is Smitha. Welcome to my channel. If you guys have been following me for some time, you would have seen all the Diwali looks that I created for this year. And today I wanted to show you a finale look. This is the look that I wore to a Diwali party this past weekend. And I thought I might as well tape it for you guys to show you how I dressed up. I hope you enjoy it, and without further ado, let's get this started. I'm heading straight to my eyebrows with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Pomade in dark brown. I'm going to fill in the sparse areas using my angled brush, and then with the LA Girl Pro Conceal in pure beige, I'm going to clean up the borders of my eyebrows so I keep it looking clean, and then I'm going to use the same concealer on my lids as a primer. And to stop this concealer from creasing, I'm going to set it with the NYC Loose Powder. For primer, I'm going to be using the NYX Photo Loving Primer on my face and neck. For convenience, I'm going to be listing all the products that I used in the description box below. I'm also going to prime my lips using a lip balm. This is the Pout Gel Lip Balm in Love from Wet n Wild. For foundation, again, I'm going with a full coverage one. This is the Maybelline Super Stay in 332, which is golden caramel. I'm going to be applying it with my Hip Dot Kabuki brush. Last time I used a different shade and it oxidized on me, but this one did not. So I guess the formula is a little bit different for different shades. I don't know how that works, but this definitely did not oxidize on me and it stayed put, and I absolutely love the coverage. And then from the Coastal Scents Concealed Palette, I'm going to use this contour shade to cream contour my face in the circumference as well as hollows of my cheekbones and my nose. I'm going to blend everything out with a damp beauty sponge. When I say damp sponge, I wet it under water. I squeeze out all the water till it expands in size, and then I put it in a dry towel to remove any excess water that I couldn't squeeze out before I use it on my face. To get that extra brightness under my eyes, I'm going to use the LA Girl Pro Conceal only under my eyes. I'm going to blend it out with a damp beauty sponge, and whatever residue is left on the sponge, I'm going to use that to highlight the other high planes. And then I'm going to set my entire face using the NYX Stay Matte But Not Flat Press Powder in warm beige. I'm also going to use some loose powder underneath my eyes before I start my eye makeup to catch any fallouts. Using the Physicians Formula Mineral Glow Pearls, I'm going to first highlight my brow bones just underneath the arch of my brows. From the Too Faced Natural Eyes palette, I'm taking Hookup with this blending brush. I'm going to use this to carve out my outer corner as well as the crease to give that definition. So I'm going to be smoking out this color as a transition color in the outer corner as well as the crease. Next, I'm going to be taking the Revlon Photo Ready Eye Art in Topaz Twinkle. I'm going to be using the liquid eyeshadow side to cut my crease as well as fill in the lids. And then with my finger, I'm going to soften the edges so it blends in with the transition color. It looks stunning by itself and you can stop at this, but I will go one extra notch by adding some glitter. This is very fine glitter, so it gives you just the right amount of sparkle. I'm going to be using Hookup again to soften the entire lower lash line using a small pencil brush. To tightline my waterline, I'm going to be using my favorite waterproof, smudge-proof black eye pencil. This is the Jordana Easy Liner in black. And to line just my top lash line, I'm going to be using the Italia Deluxe waterproof eyeliner. Next, I'm going to be prepping my lashes for the falsies by curling it and applying a coat of mascara. I'm going to be using the Big Shot Mascara from Maybelline. And for lashes, I'm using these amazing mink lashes from Harjot Beauty in Queen. They look absolutely stunning. She came up with a ton of new lashes and you'll see me use it in the upcoming videos. And if you want to see how to easily and quickly apply false eyelashes my way, I'm going to link the video right on top. For blush, I'm using the Pure Cosmetics 4-in-1 blush palette. Because I have a rounder face, I like to apply the blush on the highest planes of my cheekbones because I have high cheekbones. That way your face looks more lifted than applying it on the apples of your cheeks, which will make your cheeks look chubbier and rounder. And for that overall delicate glow, I'm going to be using the Physicians Formula Mineral Glow Pearls again, using my Sigma highlighter brush. On my lips, I wanted something that was a deep, rich red to go with the beautiful Kanjipuram sari that I was wearing. So I went with the Milani Amore Matte Metallic Lip Cream in Pretty Problematic. And because I wanted to tone down that wine red a little bit, I used the L'Oreal Infallible Lip Gloss in Rebel Red as a lip topper over it. To complete this look, I went with a simple red bindi with crystal in the center, big bold statement earrings to go with my rich, beautiful Kanjipuram sari, and some red flowers in my hair to complete the overall traditional look. I think I've mentioned this before, but I enjoy a good traditional look for any festival, and here's one such. I hope you enjoyed watching it as well, and if you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and comment below and let me know your thoughts. I've listed all the products in the description box right below this video, along with all the links to my social media accounts, so make sure you're following me there to get the complete scoop that I don't share on YouTube. I love you guys so much, and I will see you soon with another tutorial. Bye guys.